everybody, this is Dave. Welcome back to the channel. My wife picked this camera up for me for Christmas. Just now getting ready to use it. I have inspected it a little bit. It does have a few problems, but the lens looks really good. First, it's a Minolta SR T 101. The film compartment is very clean. I've changed the battery. One part is the doesn't really close too easily. You usually have to come over here, lift this up, close it to get that snapped back into place. Another defect, I don't know if you can see it here. Looks like the camera was dropped on its hot shoe. It's which does not affect. This is not a hot shoe, it's a cold shoe, so it doesn't have any real function except for holding a device there, which I will not be doing. But it did have another problem on the inside, and I'll try and put a picture up if I can get one. Is on the inside, the prism is, there's a blemish, probably because of this dent here. And it really doesn't affect, my view at all, so I'm still going to use it. Like I said, this camera looks pretty good. It's clean, other than the bonk on its head over here, knocking it, making it a little crooked. Really, I think it's kind of in good shape in general. I'm not going to shoot anything too fancy in it. I just have a roll of Fujifilm, something I use a lot. It's just the 400 Superia. But yeah, that's what I'm going to shoot with. We'll take a look at some photos here in just one moment.